Greetings from again. In addition to developing one of the most comprehensive camera systems on a phone in 2025, Samsung's only objective in 2025 is to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra the most powerful phone on the market. We are finally receiving not one, but two new camera improvements that have been greatly needed for quite some time. The first is the large, dependable Galaxy S25 Ultra League, and Samsung is also releasing an upgrade of the Boss, which we'll speak about in a moment. First off, the Galaxy S25 Ultra retains its four rear cameras, with the primary sensor coming in at 200 megapixels. This sensor is reported to be comparable to the S24 Ultra, but it will be tuned for the S25 Ultra's hardware, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Photo ISP. The next set of features includes a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a brand new 3x 50-megapixel optical zoom sensor, and the 5x lens once again with a resolution of 50 megapixels. Ice Universe claims that Samsung is finally improving the ultra-wide-angle sensor and the 3x zoom, perhaps offering the largest upgrade ever seen on a Samsung Galaxy flagship phone. Not only cameras, however, are becoming more and more common. For gamers and true professionals, Samsung is bringing back a powerful upgrade from the past. With a 16GB RAM variant, the first of its kind in the industry, and the fastest performance in the industry, up to 10.7 GB per second for on-device AI cloud gaming and more, Samsung is bringing back a powerful upgrade from the past that they haven't done since the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This RAM with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might make the S25 Ultra the most powerful phone in the globe. According to yet another trustworthy source, the Galaxy S25 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to have what may be the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. One of the hardest games on the market for phones, Genshin Impact, can be played at 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second on the prototype GPU of the 8 Gen 4. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.